It is Sunday and it is Cars and Coffee Day. There is my car sitting all purty with the lip all fucked up. Now we know for future reference. Any words? We know you haven't had breakfast yet, but any words for the viewers right now?
No, I think we should talk more about your car, what you've done to it.
That's for a future video. And here comes Drew. Fucking goddamn. It's like 7, almost 8 in the morning and he's already coming in hella loud and shit.
I just woke up.
He just woke up. Any words for the viewers?
What's up?
Damn, that guy looks kind of mad. Poor guy. I wonder what his issue is. Probably got kicked out the house. Any words, Mr. Ginger Mexican? Nothing. Nothing at all. He's actually Mexican, okay? For people who are watching at home, he's actually Mexican. A little white. He can't turn? God damn. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I think he got it. Nope. It's not very nice that you're taking your mom's car out for a spin like that.
Oh, yeah, this is my grandma's car.
Your grandmother's car.
Yeah. I'm gonna surprise her for I'm gonna wrap this to this.
Oh really? That's her surprise for today?
Really fucking, old style stuff. It's kinda gay.
NPR Racing on this Mustang. This Mustang's dope. That carbon fibre.
Yeah.
5.0.
I think, yeah. No, but I was the one not fucked up. I was like,
Carbon fibre back here too. That's what I was saying, huh? The stitching is where it's at. Hey.
I'll probably get pulled out.
I'll get the supercharger.
Is that a supercharger? The supercharger.
The supercharger.
Look at that little radiator. The intercooler? Damn, the intercooler is probably like 2 of my hands. That thing's cute. Oh, but that interior though. That interior is clean.
You could fit a backpack in there. That's it.
Hey, it's right-hand drive. You probably do fit in there.
So, I've never seen it.
You can put like 2 gallons of milk in there and you're good.
A bucket of ice cream.
Yeah. You can put like a gallon of milk in there and call it a day.
You're like, groceries done.
All the boomers are about to be on your ass right now. You called a Viper a Miata.
Oh, it's fucking small.
Rest in peace, Drew.
We haven't seen the new bike.
The new ones?
Yeah.
Oh, the ACR ones. Yeah, those are dope. What's up, Mark? That's 14. But that dude's at work though. He's just chilling there.
We're barely waiting.
He's kind of at the meet.
Somewhat. Oh, crowd control.
I like this blue one.
Another Corvette spaghetti. I think all the Corvettes should just park next to each other. So that way they can all just relive their times. Like, I remember back in 1950 when everything was so simple. Gas was like 50 cents a gallon. Where's the Miata? Where's the Miata, Drew?
Oh, Project Cart.
Is this the first gen Viper? First gen Viper?
Seats looks comfy.
Oh yeah.
It's like the 350.
So yeah, it is.
350.
This?
No, it's not like the 350.
Oh.
Look at it.
I think that's how it is with all the Vipers. It's like snakeskin, huh?
The badge? Yeah. You gotta get a, like, you gotta picture move.
That's what I call it.
What? It's like a snakeskin.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
Watching it.
Let's go.
Damn. The carbon fibre.
You can? You got room for a blower? Oh, wow.
It's cool because you still got like a little bit of space back here, you know, for storage.
That's for the top.
For the golf clubs? Oh, the top.
Dad, will you open up the front?
Yeah, we're gonna pop.
Dad, will you open up the front? Please?
Yeah, we're gonna pop it up.
Shit's still...
Hey, Dad.
Yeah, this is the everything on this is. Yeah, as far as I know, I think. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, but these things are super nice on the inside.
Everything on this is real.
Ryan, just wait a couple of model years before you get one.
I know, everyone says also. But, I mean,
The meat, you kill the meat before you even kill the meat. Supra. But it sucks. You're gonna be hurting a lot of 12-year-olds' feelings when they find out it's auto. You got an Instagram by any chance? An Instagram?
I got another car, so
Instagram?
AJ.
Uh-huh.
80.
Okay, for sure. Make sure to follow his Supra.
Apparently I'm hurting the 12-year-old feelings right now.
Of course. What's under? We don't even want to show what's under the engine right now. Too much boost, huh? Too much boost. So for any photography needs, hit up your boy.
Let's go.
Fuck, shout out your Instagram. Honestly. Come, plug, Instagram. This is my personal photographer actually, so.
At Riley Hurley, you already know.
At Riley Hurley. If you need any fucking type of photo shoot,
Let's shoot.
he'll shoot you.
Let's shoot.
He will shoot you.
I will shoot you.
Your car
You
specifically.
already know.
But he will shoot you too. Such a nice day out today. You need to pipe somebody, or you got a fancy hoe, take her to the Oxford Suites. Why? Because my dad works there. Yeah, my guy's always got the glare. It tastes like a pineapple. It tastes really good. I'm just drinking. It tastes like a pineapple.
Hey, seatbelt on.
Why?
You ain't going to get the seatbelt.
Who told you that?
Put the seatbelt.
That's a false alarm. Look at it. That thing's fake. What you mean? Who is currently driving her little go-kart, little 86. Oh, I need to put that shit in focus. Hold on. The 86. She's driving her little 86 today. I call it the go-kart. But as she's driving, a tip for most men: when your girl's driving, locate the nearest airbag right here. Airbag Aki. Make sure to also call your mom and tell her that you love her. And make sure to put the seatbelt on. And just make sure to pray. Because that's the most thing you can do. Because you're not controlling today. What's on the radio today? YG. Conclusion. What the fuck? That don't look like YG?
It doesn't.
It doesn't. And always remember, in an 86, it says objects in mirror are losing. Damn, look at you out here gapping.